The Lucid Air key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, locate the seam on the back of the fob. Gently pry it open with a flat tool, like a coin or screwdriver, to avoid scratches. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up and snap the case shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't respond, reprogram it via the infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, Key Fob Programming. Handle the battery with gloves to avoid corrosion from oil transfer. If you see an open case alert, ensure the fob case is fully closed and inspect for debris or bent internals. A key not detected error often results from a low battery or pairing failure. Try resetting the fob by holding the lock-unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. If this doesn't work, reprogram the fob or use the Lucid app for diagnostics. Battery life is typically 1 to 2 years. DIY replacements save money compared to dealer services, but always prioritize safety and avoid damaging the fob's internal components. If issues persist, contact Lucid support.